Many organizations have started their journeys on automation, and there has been a mixed success with respect to how the return of investment they envisaged at the start of their automation journey comes out at the end of the journey itself. The crux of the problems are two. Number one, it is about identification of the right business processes that you want to automate. And the second is around making sure that you distinguish between a task, an activity, a process, and an application. What is it that you're really trying to automate? What we have seen is that as soon as you identify the right business process, the chances of success in any automation journey increases significantly. So really the focus for us is to not just help customers automate, but take a step back and figure out how do you define and determine which are the right business processes, what is really happening in a business process, what are those kind of exceptions, what are those kind of alternate workflows that happen in any business process, so that you can actually improve your chance of success in any automation journey.